Hello, today we will guide you through how to change the URL of a product in a Squarespace store. In this walkthrough, we'll update a product's URL, also known as its slug. This is the part of the link that appears after your domain, and it helps customers and search engines understand what the page is about. Keeping it short, clear, and consistent can improve discoverability and make your store look more professional. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and navigating to your site. From the main menu, head to the area where your content and commerce tools are listed. Locate the section labeled Products and Services, then open Products. This is where all of your store items live, including physical and digital products, services, and variants. If you have a long list, you can use search or filters to find the exact product you want to update. Next, find the product you're changing and open its overflow menu, which appears as 3 dots to the right of the item. Choose Edit to open the product editor. You'll see several tabs that control different aspects of the product. Select the Marketing tab. This area contains settings that influence how your product appears in search results and how the URL is structured. Scroll until you see the SEO and URL section and click Edit. Here's where you'll change the slug. Type the new URL text you want to use. Aim for lowercase letters, use hyphens to separate words, and avoid spaces or special characters. For example, handmade ceramic mug is cleaner and more readable than a long string with symbols. Keep it descriptive but not overly long. If Squarespace flags that the slug is already in use, adjust the text slightly until it's unique. When you're satisfied, click Apply. This confirms the new URL for the product. A few tips to keep in mind. Changing a URL can affect any existing links you've shared in emails, ads, or social posts. To reduce confusion, try to finalize slugs before launching campaigns and avoid changing them frequently. If you do need to update a slug on a live site, make sure your marketing materials and navigation reflect the change so customers can still find the product easily. That's it. You've navigated to your product, opened its editor, accessed the marketing settings, updated the SEO and URL section, and applied your new, cleaner slug. With a concise, keyword-rich URL, your product page will be easier to share and more likely to be understood by both shoppers and search engines.